Have you ever been locked out of your own apartment? Or broken a computer with no solution? Or around the house jobs that you just can't seem to fix? Then we have the solution for you, the sonic screwdriver. With one simple use, it can open any lock with a simple tap. It can also be used as a tool to fix any appliance. Wow, look at Jordan go. Even that nasty old sink. Good job, Jordan. The sonic screwdriver is totally legit. It fixes anything with a simple tap. See how she walks up? But then, without a problem, she takes out her sonic screwdriver, and now she can get wherever she's going. The sonic screwdriver. Order yours today.